everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Chevelle hardtop. Now folks, this is not just one of the early years of the Chevelle, but it is in fact a true SS Chevelle, as you can see by the 138 VIN code. Coming to the one we have here featuring a red exterior. Other than that, it has the nice big chrome torque wheels on it. It still does not rub when I turn the wheel, which is very nice to have. As you can see on the inside now, it is the 4-speed manual, but it does have the appropriate 4-speed manual, not that crappy B&M shifter or Slappy Hirsch shifter, even though Hirsch does make a good shifter. It does have a working clock, 3-spoke wooden wheel. You can see we have all the stock gauges, which is very nice, even though I say that in a lot of my videos. Do have an aftermarket style 2-knob radio. Do have the fine vinyl bucket seats, old school door panels with the window crank. Nice armrest, back seat is in good condition, headliner is in good condition. As you can see, we also have the nice sporty SS hood coming from the front of us. Moving underneath the hood, featuring a nice 396 big block. Definitely the kind of motor you want in this kind of car, especially when you're showing it off to your friends. 12-bolt rear end along with QA1 shock absorber shocks. Other than that though, we are going to open up just a little bit for your viewing pleasure. No misfire, no hesitation. The Chevelle always brought out the best in everything, especially better than those old Fords and especially those crappy Teslas. But other than that, now we are just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.